what I'm going to do probably is share. I cannot come up with the new topics. I think all the seniors have spoken about so many things, so many learnings. So probably I'll be stealing some of the points what they have already said. So pardon me for that. But what I'm going to do differently, slightly, is my own personal perspective that I'll share against all of those points. So 5 or 7 points. Just bear with me. Um, so let's start with the first and foremost thing, right? You're getting into the MBA. How many of you are excited? And how many of you are nervous? Yeah, some people nervous. Yeah, it's okay. होता है ना थोड़ा सा. It's natural, right? We are all human beings. So the first topic itself is all about life itself. तो अब मेरे को एक बात बताओ. How many of you have the entire life sorted in terms of your planning? 25 में नौकरी, 26 में शादी, 30 में. How many of you have sorted this? कोई किसी ने नहीं किया? शर्मा क्यों रहे हो? बोलो. Yes, no? नहीं किया ना? बहुत अच्छी बात है. So I think you are already learned about the life aspect. Life is very, very unpredictable, right? Life is very, very uncertain. I think we touched upon that point. The key there is about the agility. The key there is about how we adapt to the situations. See, look what happened 4 years back. COVID, pandemic, right? Were we prepared for it? None of us were prepared for it. As a student or as a parent or as a family person or as a corporate person, none of us. We were in the middle of that pandemic being in IT. The entire onus was on us to make sure that the business runs all across the dimensions, right? Overnight, we were supposed to recreate the security policies. Do you know how IT works in some of the restricted accounts? Even the person entering into a secured zone, you'll have to leave the USB drive, mobile phone outside. There'll be complete frisking and all that. That's the kind of security standards we used to follow. Overnight, suddenly, we were supposed to make people work from home. So some organizations adapted to it. Within a couple of days, new policies, new security policies, making sure the tools, the devices, and everything is available to our employees so that business runs, right? Some organizations did that. Some could not. Organizations which were adaptable to this situation, not cribbing about it, were successful. They did not even survive. They actually thrived. They have grown after that, in the last 4 or 5 years. Look at what happened to Zoom. No one knew about Zoom. Have you used Zoom? Kya use? है ना? Right? So every student, every parent, everyone was using Zoom suddenly. And it became a kind of global company all of a sudden. So they tapped on the opportunity. तो लाइफ में लर्निंग ये है कि life will throw the curveballs at you. It's not going to be a straight line. Good, you have not done the detailed planning, but of course it is important to have some kind of planning in your life, what you want to do, etc., etc. And that's why you are here doing this course. The key thing is when that kind of situation happens, तो उससे डरना नहीं है हमें. We don't have to take that the first failure. Oh, I wanted to have this relationship and that relationship is not happening now. That's a failure for me. Right? होता है ना, ऐसा लगता है दुनिया खत्म हो गई. बॉयफ्रेंड ने छोड़ दिया, गर्लफ्रेंड ने छोड़ दिया. हाँ ना, यस, होता है ना. देखो, लास्ट थिंग आई विल से ऑन दिस टॉपिक इज हरिवंश राय की 2 लाइनें बोलता हूं मैं, है ना. अपने मन का हो तो अच्छा, ना हो तो और अच्छा. ये याद रखना, लाइफ विल थ्रो दीज कर्वबॉल्स. आई डोंट वांट टू स्टार्ट ऑन अ नेगेटिव और अ डार्क नोट, बट आई वांट दिस ग्रुप ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, द फ्यूचर लीडर्स, टू बी वेरी श्योर दैट लाइफ ऐसा करेगी हमारे साथ. स्पिन बॉल आएगी, कर्व बॉल आएगी, बट वी हैव टू प्ले. क्लीन बोल्ड नहीं होना है. रोने का मन करे 2 मिनट रोना, वापस आ जाना, स्टैंड ऑन योर फीट, work on your next steps. Is that okay? So that's one perspective I want to share with all of you. The second thing is about continuous learning. I think Dr. Narang also shared about this. Mr. Saket also shared about this. It's not a buzzword, that continuous learning. So why this is so important nowadays? This cycle time in the market is kind of getting reduced every now and then. So you start a business and it'll go on for 20 years. So you get into an organization, you will continue to do the same job, same processes for years. Not anymore. New products, new tools are coming in the market every now and then. And I can tell you, by the time you will finish your MBA, 2 years down the line, a lot of new tools would have come. फिर क्या करोगे? मैंने तो ये पढ़ा है, मैं तो यही करूंगा. Right? ऐसा नहीं चलेगा ना. So we have to learn. Right? Of course, the curriculum, prepares you to, really expand your mindset in terms of getting into that mindset of learning. But onus is on you to have a continuous learning. अब इसमें मेरा perspective थोड़ा सा इतना है कि you should have 3 learning streams active in your life, throughout your life, अब से लेके लास्ट तक. और वो कौन सी है? नंबर 1 इज योर प्राइमरी लर्निंग स्ट्रीम. आज की डेट में आपकी प्राइमरी लर्निंग स्ट्रीम इज यू आर डूइंग MBA. दैट इज योर प्राइमरी stream 1. Tomorrow you will do some job, you want to excel in that particular job. That is your stream 1. Stream 2 is about having a plan. Having a plan in 1 year from now, 1.5 years from now, 2 years from now, what is my next step? Don't plan for 20 steps, but plan at least the next step. Right? So that stream 2 is about the next step. And then stream 3 is about your fun. कितने लोग म्यूजिक पसंद करते हैं यहाँ पर? देखो, सब करते हैं. कितने लोगों को गिटार बजाना आता है यहाँ पे? 1 को आता है, 2 को. कितने लोग सीखना चाहते हैं? ऑलमोस्ट सारे, है ना? सो दैट्स व्हाट इट इज. दैट इज स्ट्रीम 3. सी व्हाट विल हैपन इज दिस विल गिव यू द एनर्जी टू एक्चुअली रन थ्रू योर स्ट्रीम 1 and stream 2 as well. That's the soul, that's a food for soul, right? That's how you will get the energy for rest of the work that you are going to do in your life. So ये 3 streams you always have to have in your life, and you can decide a proportion. You can say 60-20-20, or you can say 80-10-10. Of course, the stream 1 has to take the bigger pie. ठीक है? तो ये सीखने की आदत डालनी है, और ये अभी से डालनी है अगर ऑलरेडी नहीं है तो. And stream 3 is very, very important, by the way, guys. That gives you the energy that you need for your life. So let's move on the learning part a little more. So हमने अभी टच किया on the topic of AI and automation. ठीक है? So let's look at this. AI automation में again let me ask some question. मेरे को interaction करना अच्छा लगता है, right? So AI और automation से how many of you are excited about it? थोड़ा थोड़ा इतना, या तो ऐसे उठाओ या मत उठाओ. ठीक है, एक्साइटेड है. और नर्वस कितने हैं? अफ्रेड कितने हैं? एंग्शियस कितने हैं? कितने लोगों को लगता है कि एआई हमारी जॉब खा जाएगी? लगता है ना? डर लगता है ना? है, डरने की बात है. ठीक है? सो लेट मी गिव यू एग्जांपल्स. कॉल सेंटर चलते हैं आज, लाखों लोग कॉल सेंटर बैठे हैं. हेलो सर, पासवर्ड रीसेट, स्क्रिप्ट रन कर रहे हैं, एंड ऑल दैट. ऑल ऑफ सच जॉब्स विल गो अवे. Most of the mundane jobs will go away, guys. I'm telling you. But then what will happen is, where is that human empathy? Mr. Saket touched upon that point. Human empathy. So that only a human can bring in, as of now. Maybe in future what gets developed, I don't know. But as of now, machine cannot bring in that human touch, human empathy. So, while it is important that you become the subject matter expert, it is equally important that you take this beast under your control. This is a beast. It'll eat you up. It'll eat your job, right? Don't complain about your future if you're not forcing it right now. Now, whether you want to put it in your stream 2 of learning or stream 3 of learning or part of stream 1, find it out where it fits in. It is very important. So if you will not learn what is going on in the market, if you will not stay relevant to these tools, your productivity is going to be 1/10 of the productivity of a person who is maybe an average expert, but then he knows all these tools. His productivity is going to be very, very high. He can produce 10x more results than you. So it is important that you learn about it. देखो, डरने से काम नहीं चलेगा इससे. ठीक है? एंग्शियस होना ओके है, बट देन एंग्शियस होके हमें एक्शन लेना है. सो वी हैव टू लर्न अबाउट दीज थिंग्स. सो फाइंड आउट अ वे. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गूगल्ड समथिंग इन लास्ट 24 आवर्स? सभी ने किया है ना? कुछ ना कुछ गूगल किया. तो गूगल कर लो इसके बारे में भी. यू विल फाइंड आउट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ टूल्स आर अवेलेबल, कैसे पीपीटी बन रही है, कैसे आप प्रेजेंटेशंस बना रहे हो, कैसे आप नई चीजें सीख सकते हो. चैट जीपीटी की हमारी बात हुई. इफ द कॉर्पोरेट पॉलिसी, इफ द इंस्टीट्यूट पॉलिसी अलाउज चैट जीपीटी, हाउ डू यू वांट टू यूज इट, राइट? सो मेक श्योर that you make the best use of the tools available out there in the market. You don't need the textbooks for everything that you want to learn in life, right? There is a lot of material available out there in the market. देखो कैसे सीखना है. The onus is on you guys, right? तो ये हो गई लर्निंग की बात. अब एक थोड़ी सीरियस बात करते हैं. अभी ये बताओ कि how many of you think the trust is the super important thing in any leader? है ना? ट्रस्ट के बगैर नहीं, एक लीडर सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो सकता. सो दिस इज समथिंग which we all know, but we take it with a pinch of salt, right? But as I said, life is unpredictable. One thing I'll also tell you, life ना lure भी करती है आपको, shortcut दिखाती है. There will be a lot of times then you will have to take critical decisions in your life, and some of the paths will appear like a shortcut. देखो, in past what used to happen, the transparency was not that high. In terms of the corporates, in terms of the organizations, in terms of their data coming into the public, it was not that high. Nowadays, consumers ask, how do you source the raw material? How are you using the labor? Are you using the child labor or not? You know, all the ethical practices are followed or not. जब लोग आप लोग, let's say 2 years from now, when you will start your corporate life, पहले हफ्ते के अंदर ही you will be asked to do a massive 2 hours ethic and compliance training. That's how the organizations are moving towards. So whether it is carbon footprint, whether it's a labor policy and everything is becoming more and more public in the market now. So ऐसे situation में, as an individual, as a leader, can you afford to even make one mistake in your career? Yes, no? Not at all, right? And trust me, it takes years and years of taking consistent decisions. तो हम कैसे consistent रहें? So treat this as a guiding star. This is North Star for you. When you are in a confusion, just think, am I compromising on my ethics, on my integrity, on my value system? If answer to any of that is yes, please don't take it, because it's not a shortcut. It's going to be a dead end soon. Do we want to get into a dead end? None of us, right? So it takes years to create the respect in the market, but it takes one wrong decision to actually ruin it. एक बार और बता दूं मैं आपको, जब आपके पास गाड़ी होगा, बंगला होगा, सब कुछ होगा, है, भगवान का दिया सब कुछ है, ये है, वो है, माँ भी है, उस टाइम सच में द मोस्ट प्राइड यू आर गोइंग टू गेट इज फ्रॉम द रिस्पेक्ट फ्रॉम द मार्केट, राइट? सो दैट्स समथिंग यू विल रियली चेरिश, एंड जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट यू स्टार्ट इनकलकेटिंग दोज वैल्यू सिस्टम. मैं यहाँ पे ये नहीं हूँ बताने के लिए व्हाट इज योर मोरल, व्हाट इज योर एथिक्स एंड ऑल. यू डिसाइड. Everyone has their own, but it falls in a particular bracket, right? So as long as you are clear about what you want to do in your life, what is your value system, I think that's going to help you a lot. The next thing, let's move on to, let's say, collaboration. I think all the leaders touched upon this collaboration part, and I want to share my perspective how the collaboration is getting changed in the industry. तो अभी ना कोलैबोरेशन, इट्स नॉट लाइक टीम कोलैबोरेशन, और इट इज नॉट जस्ट अ डिपार्टमेंटल कोलैबोरेशन. वो तो है, वो तो दैट्स गिवन, राइट? तो आप में से कितने लोग हो जैसे जो हु थिंक यू आर अ टीम प्लेयर? ठीक है. और हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर लाइक आई प्ले सोलो, राइट? आई एम अ सोलो गाय. बहुत कम. और कुछ लोगों ने हाथ ही नहीं खड़ा किया. मैं दोनों तरफ हूँ. ठीक है, अपना अपना स्टाइल होता है, बट जिस लाइन में आप जा रहे हो ना, आप एमबीए कर रहे हो, यू आर गोइंग टू बी फ्यूचर लीडर्स वेरी सून. वेरी सून यू आर गोइंग टू मैनेज द स्टेक होल्डर्स, यू आर गोइंग टू मैनेज द टीम, लार्ज साइज टीम्स, मिड साइज टीम, वेरी सून इन योर लाइफ. तो उस केस में कोलैबोरेशन इज द की, एंड यू अंडरस्टैंड वेयर द इंडस्ट्री इज गोइंग. जस्ट लुक एट हाउ द कोलैबोरेशन इज हैपनिंग अमंग्स डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. Look at ICICI and Amazon. So Amazon Pay and ICICI coming together, creating a credit card and kind of creating that collaboration so that the business grows. चलो ये तो कंपटीटर नहीं है. क्या आपको मालूम है कि मारुति एंड टोयोटा दे आर कोलैबोरेटिंग टुगेदर, राइट? वी ऑल नो ना. कॉम्पिटिटर्स कोलैबोरेट कर रहे हैं मार्केट में फॉर द ईवी, राइट? So many other, like for example Insight, I come from Insight and we are collaborating with Microsoft. Wipro is collaborating with IBM for the cloud services. अब ये तो हो गया कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस आपस में कोलैबोरेट कर रही हैं. और आप सब फास्टैग के बारे में जानते हो, है ना? फास्टैग बनाने के लिए कितनी इंडस्ट्रीज कोलैबोरेट कर रही हैं? कैन यू काउंट देम? हु इज गोइंग टू टेल मी? व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट इंडस्ट्री दैट कम्स टू योर माइंड विद द फास्टैग? सॉरी, fintech, banking, yes. What is the other one? IT, cyber security, printing, okay, designing and printing, NHAI, well said, government, technologies, the scanners, geosatellite technology, right? So many industries, and automotive. Don't forget about that. Bringing all the automotive industry together. So we are not just talking about Maruti and Suzuki and Toyota. We are talking about the entire automotive industry coming together. So many industries are collaborating with each other. Now, what will happen if one bank says, I'm not going to play this game? What will happen to that bank? I want to be a solo. मुझे अपने अकेले में काम करना अच्छा लगता है. What will happen to that bank? They will miss the bus, right? The wave we are riding on in today's scenario, the innovation and stuff, they will miss that bus. So keep that in mind, that it is not a choice, guys. If you want to be an introvert, great. Once you finish your work, go back to your room, take your kambal, Netflix chalao, coffee piyo, book padho. Be a good introvert for 12 hours. But when you are out there in public, you have to collaborate. You have to be a team player. And team player का मतलब ये नहीं कि हर बात पे हाँ बोलना है. Right? I'll come to that point in a minute. इनोवेशन पे हमने बात किया, तो इनोवेशन पे मैं मेरे एक दो प्रोस्पेक्टिव है विच आई विल जस्ट पुट इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू एंड टेक इट विद अ पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट, राइट? तो इनोवेशन इंपॉर्टेंट है, हम सब जानते हैं इसको. Last 2 decades, if you see all the big market capital wise, all the large organizations, they were born because of some innovation. Whether it is Meta, whether it's Apple, or any such organization you pick up. Hotel industry, Airbnb, right? Uber, Ola, all these are child of some kind of innovation, innovative platforms. Even the cloud business, Amazon, for that sake. तो ये तो हम सबको, it's very very clear that it is not a choice for us. It is important, we have to think. तो अभी उसके लिए कर क्या रहे हैं? How many times you spot the problem statement? Right? So start developing that culture that when you see a problem statement, start defining it very very clearly. Start writing it down. It will help you when you will get to the corporate. It will help you. So for an example, for a 1-hour flight, I have to reach the airport 3 hours before. Correct? Is that not a problem statement? It is. So think about it. I'm not saying that you are authorized to make the changes in the airport, but think about it hypothetically, right? It will help you grow your mental thought process in that way. So when you really hit that spot, when you get into the organization, you are authorized, you will start, first of all, making those kind of impacts very, very quickly. So think about it, start developing that capability. But another aspect of innovation is, we sometimes get too much carried away in the innovation. Innovation करना है, आज मुझे लग रहा है कि नोएडा से गुड़गांव जाने पे 2 घंटे लगते हैं. Why not start a air taxi? Innovative idea, very good, right? What about the practicality? So as they say, no idea is a bad idea. I beg to differ on that, right? The idea which is not thought through, जिस पे मेहनत नहीं करी है ना आपने, वो आइडिया अच्छा नहीं है. Take every idea, but then उसके ऊपर मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी आपको. There's a lot of practicality aspects that you need to think through. Look at Zomato for an example. Wonderful organization, wonderful management. But 2 days before they closed their Zomato Legend. आपको में किसको पता है Zomato Legend के बारे में? कुछ लोगों को पता है, right? घर बैठो और कहाँ की कचौड़ी खा रहे हो, कहाँ की बिरयानी खा रहे हो, right? Innovative idea. But minimum order is 5,000. You have to order a day before. Result? It was not proof tested. They spent good resources for almost 2 years on this particular business model. It was not well thought through. And a couple of days back, it was in the news that they have shut down that business, that particular portion of business. Nothing wrong. At least someone in the management has taken that call before the company goes bankrupt, right? So good management decision. But it could have been avoided if the practicality aspect was thought through even before launching it. So you all need to be visionary, but at the same time be practical. पैर जमीन पे रखना, ठीक है? उड़ना है बट पैर जमीन पे रखना. वो देख लो, इमेजिन कर लो कैसे होगा वो. आप लोग देखो, but as they say, right? आपके पैर जमीन से उठने नहीं चाहिए, वो प्रैक्टिकलिटी रहनी चाहिए. I think these were the points I wanted. Maybe one more point I'll just share. Corporate में जब आप जाओगे in next couple of years, you will get into the corporate. तो इसमें perspective ये है कि पहली चीज, every corporate has a vibe. ठीक है? You get into the restaurant or you go for a night out or even for the college fest. हर एक का अपना vibe होता है ना. आज मजा आया, आज नहीं आया. Right? And on what basis usually this generation picks up the job? बताओ जरा, अपने मुंह से बोलो. एस से स्टार्ट होता है, सैलरी बोलते हैं, है ना. सबके मन में ये इतनी मिलेगी तो मैं जाऊंगा, राइट. अदरवाइज दूसरे को देखो, वो भी ठीक है, एस्पेक्ट है अपना अपना. So, but practically, you have to choose where your vibe matches in the organization. There is a spectrum of organizations. Let me give you, organization A is an organization, a large organization. It's very stable. It'll give you your Saturdays, Sundays, your family time, average growth, learning, salary, and everything good. And the other side of the spectrum, small organization, which is trying to grow at a 2x or a 3x pace every 2-3 years, right? So you will get exponential growth. Maybe the salary will also grow. Your title will also grow. Very soon you will become vice president in that organization, sooner than your peers. But that'll take away a lot of your Saturdays, Sundays, your family time and everything. And I'm not here to tell you what is right and wrong for you. You have to decide what is your aspiration. Salary should not be the criteria. Over a period of time, it kind of gels together. वो वहाँ आ जाती है सबकी एवरेज, जो जिसका जितना कैलिबर है वो आ जाती है. Starting salary should not be here. So think which corporate you want to join. We spoke about adaptability, right? And then once you get into your kind of organization, adapt to it. The third thing which is very important, which we have not spoken about, is, at least in my pitch, but Mr. Saket touched upon it, is the soft skill. So even if you're a genius person, you're sitting in a room in a corporate full of geniuses, and you can't articulate, your idea. And even if you can articulate, someone says this is a bad idea. You don't know how to confront it. Someone says, okay, you can do it, but do it after 6 months. You don't know how to negotiate it. And then if that meeting is over, you want to go and talk to your boss. You don't know how to have a tough conversation. Trust me, all of these points, if you will Google or even in the curriculum, you will get a lot of opportunity to polish these skills. There is always a structure in all of these things. There is always a structure which you need to follow. If you'll follow that structure, the conversation is going to go in the right direction rather than becoming an ugly argument. So develop those skills very, very clearly. So I think that's on corporate, and let me just sum it up. In the summation, I'll just say that it is not about what you learn. It is about how you implement the learning. जैसे आप सबने हाथ उठाया था ना म्यूजिक के पैशन पे, मेरा भी हाथ ऐसे ही उठा हुआ है. आई एम वेरी पैशनेट अबाउट म्यूजिक. अब म्यूजिक में देखो 7 सुर हैं, 12 सेमीटोन्स हैं, राइट. सब लोग वही सीखते हैं, सब राग सीखते हैं. One musician will come, will give you so beautiful melodies year after year, year after year, year after year. Right? The other person learns exactly the same thing. But then maybe you will listen once or twice, average melody, or you will say, ये तो noise है, music नहीं है. Right? Happens? Spectrum. क्या different है? Implementation. अब इसको जरा रिलेट करके देखो जो हमने 5-7 पॉइंट हमने बात करे, राइट. इनोवेशन, कोलैबोरेशन. अभी एग्जांपल लेते हैं, बेस्ट ऑफ द म्यूजिशियन. बोलो कौन लगता है आज की डेट का? अरिजीत सिंह सिंगर है, बेस्ट म्यूजिशियन में. कंपोजर की बात करें, AR रहमान. एथिकल है, ट्रस्ट करते हो AR रहमान पे, अच्छी चीज बनाएगा नाम आते के साथ ही, राइट. हैज ही एवर कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड ऑन, चलो यार जल्दी में बना के दे देते, पैसा मिल रहा है. हैज ही डन दैट? इज ही अ कोलैबोरेटर? He has Shiv Mani with him, he has lot of singers with him and all the musicians with him, and connected for a very long time. Good network he has. Is he innovative? Is he coming up with the new sounds every now and then? Right? So think about it. So it is all of that put together when you don't compromise on your delivery, when you don't take the shortcuts in your life, when you don't just feel like, okay, something has come to me, let me finish it off because I have to catch a movie. When you're sitting there, give your 100%. How you implement it will make a difference. I want all of you to shine, not just fit in somewhere. I want all of you, and I'm seriously hoping in future, someday, in the professional capacity, we'll meet soon. With that, thank you very much, team. Thanks for having me here.